You can now add auto captions to your Instagram stories. Yes, that's true. Brand new feature from Instagram. I'm super excited. Before we look at the demo and how to use it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. So it's a brand new Instagram story sticker. You can add subtitles. You don't have to use any external app to add subtitles to your Instagram story video. So how do you use it? Let me do a quick demo. So here I am on one of my Instagram accounts. We are gonna go to the stories camera, and then I'll do a quick recording. Hey, what's up guys? This is Ali, and we're gonna do a quick demo of Instagram Captions sticker. So once you record your Instagram story, you're gonna go to the sticker icon, and now this is what you're looking for, captions right here. So when you click on that sticker, it's gonna transcribe the audio, and look at this. How cool is this? We don't have to use any third-party app and then save the video and then use it. It's all inside Instagram stories now, right? You're also able to, if I click on this, I'm also able to, if you look at the bottom, I'm also able to change the look and feel. Look at this. That's really neat. Here you go. Here's another one. So there are different types of fonts that you style that you can pick. And another cool thing is, let's say if you wanted to use this video on your TikTok, well, if I want to use on Instagram stories, I'll just click on your story and it'll go there. But I can also download this and then use on Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Twitter, anywhere you want, right? We don't have, in the past, we used to use apps like Threads or Captions, or a lot of different apps, but now you don't have to. Instagram released this feature very recently, and obviously, if you don't have this feature, a couple of things you want to try out. One, go update your app in the App Store. That's the first thing. Number two, if you still don't see it, switch your profile from creator or personal to business, and then see if you get this feature. Because on some of my profiles, I don't have it. On all of my Instagram accounts, on most of them I do. But update the app and also try switching between creator and business to see if you get that sticker. Such a cool Instagram update. I'm super excited. I think I'm going to be using this a lot. If you have any questions about this feature or Instagram, just leave those below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.